Hey guys, so it seems like some of us are still having a couple of issues with Cami. So I wanted to show you exactly what you should be doing and how it works. So for example, in our spelling assignment, which used Cami, or on one of our math assignments, so if I click on the assignment and open it up, okay, so I will see my work is right here. So I click on my work. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the button that says Open with Cami. So once I open with Cami, the PDF will then open and you'll be able to write in it, you'll be able to type in it, you'll be able to do whatever you want with the actual PDF document. Okay, so then I'd come down here and I'm supposed to be looking for short vowel words, right? Looking for those short vowel words in the article, Aristotle and democracy. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a text box right here. And I'm going to make it really big because hopefully I'm going to find a lot of words. And I would just start typing those short vowel words that I find in the article. For example, I know the word patent is in there. And then there's other words. I just continue to type blah, 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 blah. And then I'd come down to my second page where I'm supposed to be writing the sentences. Again, if I want, I can write them using the drawing, or I can use my text box. I'm going to go ahead and insert my text box right here. And I would type the sentence. The passenger was not feeling well on the bumpy airplane ride. Okay, once you're all done with a complete assignment, so you guys will notice in Cami, there's actually a button right here that says turn in. So usually this just says save, but in this case, because I created the assignment using Cami, you will actually be able to just turn in the assignment right away. So you're going to go ahead and click that button. It saves all your work and it will turn it directly in. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yes, I want to turn in the assignment. Okay. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to save it. You don't need to download it. You don't need to upload it. You don't need to do any of that. All you need to do is go ahead and hit the turn in. It will save it to your Google Drive, of course. If you want to know where to find those Cami things in your Google Drive, if you go to your Google Drive, you guys will find a folder that says Cami. Wait for it. So I should see a folder here that says Cami somewhere. Not in alphabetical order, of course. That would be way too easy. There we go, Cami uploads. So if I open that folder, you guys will have this too. There are my assignments, although I do not see my spelling assignment. Well, that's interesting. Recent, let's try there. Well, I'm not seeing it, but I do know that it saves it. So what I know now, if I go into my Mr. Thompson's actual assignments, and I go to Mackenzie Thompson's assignment, who turned hers in. Actually, let me go back here and make sure that we actually turned it in. Window, hold on just 1 second. Okay, there we go. Go back here. Okay, it's done. All right, perfect. So now I should be able to close out of this. Come back here to the assignment. And now that it's there, let's go ahead and turn this in. Turn in. Okay, so now if I go back into my actual Google Classroom, Mr. Thompson's Google Classroom, I'm going to go check out that assignment and see for Mackenzie Thompson. That's Mrs. Thompson. I have her in here as a student so I can show you guys things. Let me see Mackenzie Thompson's work here. See if she did her work. Oh, it was done late. Let's take a look. I'm going to open up her PDF document and hopefully I'll see her work that she did. There's her PDF document. Let's take a look and see as it's loading here. I should see for sure that we did type the word patent. So if I look here, scrolling down, there's her work. And there's her sentence. So that is how you guys should be using the Kami extension. Hopefully this helped, and we'll continue to be using Kami as we go.